Hello, good afternoon, class. Hello. I'm back again. How are you all doing? Yes, I believe you had a very nice lunch. What food did you eat? What food did you eat as lunch? Omutu. Aye! Oh God. Baba, you ate omutu. Oh, then come to sleep in my class. Please, I beg you, don't sleep, okay? All right. And you watching me, how are you doing? This is Class Connect with Mr. K. Class Connect with Mr. K. So we are going to continue with our lesson today. And today we are going to look at integers. I've already done a video on interpretation of positive and negative numbers, part 1 and 2. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch that one. When you watch it, understanding of these integers will be very simple. And if this is your first time of coming across this video, this is Class Connect with Mr. K. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share so that others will benefit from this video. In Class Connect, simple basic mathematics topics are taught in a very simple, friendly, and practical manner for your understanding. Trust me, you will enjoy maths when you watch this video. It is designed for learners from basic 1 to GHS 3, okay, or basic 8 or stage 8. All right, so if you are ready, I am ready. My class is ready. Nuri is seated. Angela, Baba, Michael, Mervin, Sikapa, what? Winston, Aseda. All right. Thank you. Let's start. Are you ready? Okay. They are ready. I believe you are ready. All right. So let's start. Now, I want to talk about integers. Integers are both positive and negative numbers. Integers are both positive and negative numbers. As I said, I've already done a video on positive and negative numbers, its interpretation. And 0 is not an integer. 0 is actually a neutral number. 0 is the middleman. 0 is like a bridge. Okay, so a bridge from, if you want to go to integers hometown, at the left side of the number line, you have to pass through 0. If you want to go to positive numbers hometown, at the right side of the number line, you have to pass through 0. So 0 stands as the middleman, as the bridge, okay, as the gap between positive and negative numbers. Both positive and negative numbers gives us what we call integers. So simple. Integers are both positive and negative numbers. Please, are we okay? All right. So let's move on straight to addition and subtraction of integers. As I always tell you, I believe in practicality, not theory. When it comes to maths, it's full of practice. So I believe in practicality. The theory should be less, the practice should be more. So we are going to addition and subtraction of integers. Please write it down. Addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, so let me write it here. Okay, so please, let me rather clean the top, okay? Let me clean. I believe you finished copying the definition, positive and negative numbers. So I'm cleaning it. All right. Okay, so this is Class Connect with Mr. K. I am Mr. Che Yim Eric. All right, so let's go to addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. All right. So integers is already on top. So addition and subtraction of integers. Now let's take example of a question. Let's assume we have number 1, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. What this means is that it's negative, positive 4, positive 9. Okay, positive 4, positive 9. But something has come across. I want to do this. Okay, let me finish solving this one. So 4 plus 9. You all know it, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is it not 13? It's 30. You can even use your hand. So it is 13. Now, for you to understand this topic, I will give you a very simple steps or rule, simple rule that you have to learn. And once you understand that, the work will be so simple. But let's try this. When you watch my previous video, I told you that positive means that you are having money, negative means that you are owing. All right. So let's look at this question, for instance. Let's look at this question. Negative 16 plus 8, or positive 8. I said this is negative 16, positive 8. This positive is for the 8 only. This positive is for the 8 only. It's not for any other number, but it's for 8. Now, what this means is that you are owing somebody 16, and then you have money 8. Okay? You are owing somebody 16, and then you have money 8. So don't let this sign confuse you. Don't let this sign makes you, because of this sign, you might add 16 to 8. You'll be wrong, or you are wrong. This sign is for only 8. Is that clear? Okay. So it is negative 16, positive 8. And then what do you have to do? I told you you are owing someone 16, you have money 8. You can use your money to pay part of your debt. And when you pay part of your debt, you still be left with what? Your debt will still remain, because the debt is more than the money that you have. So you still have what? Negative 8. Negative 8. Negative 8. Okay. Number 3. Let's go to another example. Negative 8, negative 4. You see, I didn't say negative 8 minus 4. If you say that, you'll be wrong. You might subtract this 4 from 8 and you'll be wrong. It means that you are owing 8 and you are also owing 4. So your debt will go up. As I always say, this sign is for the 4 only. This sign is for 4 only. It means you are owing 8, you are owing 4. Your debt will go up, right? It will go up to 12. So you'll be owing negative 12. Please, are you following? Okay. All right. Then another one is, look at it. 15 negative, negative, 16 negative, negative 5. 15 negative, negative 5. 15 negative, negative 5. 15 negative, negative 5. Now, what this means is that you are having, it's not, this is plus, right? This is negative. This negative is for this 5. And this is positive 15. So they are saying that positive 15 and negative 15. But there is a rule in integers. And the rule says that when two negative clashes, I mean, when they are closer together, negative, negative, or minus, minus, when they clash like that, it becomes positive. So negative, negative becomes positive. Negative, negative becomes positive. And bear in mind, they are closer. Nothing is between them, so it becomes positive. So you rewrite this again to be 15 plus 5, which will give you what? 20. Which will give you positive 20. Not just 20, but positive 20. Is that clear? All right. Let's solve more examples. Let's solve more examples. This time, negative 3 plus negative 2. What this means is that you are owing 3, and then you are also owing 2, and you are adding, the plus means you are adding the two debts together. Udi obika 3, and as adi obika 2, and now what can now deny the abom. So your debt have to what? Go up. Your debt have to go up. But this one are not closer, so you cannot say it will tend to positive. They are not closer like this. Okay, so your debt will go up to negative 5. Please, is that clear? Is that clear? All right, good. Let me solve a few more examples. A few more examples. Let's assume you have negative 4, negative into bracket 4, minus 9, minus 1, right? Good. Yes. So let me give you some small time and see whether you'll be able to solve this for me. All right. -4. -4. Am I right? Yes, 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 I'm right. Negative -4, -4, -9, -1. Yes, 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 yes. What is the answer? Please, what is the answer? Yes. Who is solving it? Angela, are you solving it? Mervin, are you also solving it? Yes, who is solving it? Okay. Yeah, who have gotten it? Yes. Good. What did you get? What? -10. Hey, clap for Angela. Wow. Beautiful. Angela, I'm so proud of you. You've done very, very well. Okay. That is correct. It's -10. Did you get it? Please drop your answer at the comment section. It is actually -10. Angela, can you tell us how you solved it? Okay, good. All right. So let's solve more examples. Let's solve more examples. There's 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Okay. So number 6. 9 minus 2. Okay. So clearly you have money 9 and then you are owing somebody 2. So you'll be left with, your money will still be left with 7, right? Good. Please, are you following? Good, 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 good. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice, nice one, nice one. Now, let's solve this question too. Good. -7 plus -3. So number 7. -7 plus -3. Good. So what this means is that you are owing somebody 7 and then you are owing 3. So your debt will increase to -10. -10. -10. Please, are you following it? All right. Now let's look at a practical example, okay? A practical example of a question where you need to apply this knowledge. A practical example of a question where you need to apply this knowledge. I believe you have finished copying. Yes, I believe you are done copying. So I will clean the board and then we look at the practical example. It says, in an experiment, the temperature on a thermometer drops from -20 degrees Celsius to -24 degrees Celsius. So the questions are, what is the change in temperature? What is the change in temperature? And then B, afterwards, the reading decreased by 8 degrees. What is the new reading? All right, so let me clean the board and then give you that question, and then we'll be done with addition and subtraction. All right, good. So practical example. All right. So it says in an experiment. So in an experiment, the temperature on a thermometer, hope you can see the board. The temperature on a thermometer, decrease from -20 degrees Celsius to -24 degrees Celsius. So you can solve it. If you can solve it, so what is the change in temperature? 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 What is the change in, right? Right? Yes. What is the change in temperature? So who has finished? Who has finished? Yes, who has finished? Anybody? Okay. Winston, what did you get? What did you get? Okay. Now keep your answer. Let me solve it and then we will see. All right.